Welcome back at Chemists. Today we're going to move to part 2 of the topic what are acids and bases. But in part 1 we already discussed about everything relating to acids. So part 2 we're going to talk solely and mainly on what bases are. So get your pen and your book ready and get ready to enjoy this video. Let's talk about the acids counterparts, which are called bases. Now bases like acids are found all around us. They are found in your detergents, your soaps, baking soda, in cleaning, household cleaning products like ammonia, and in milk or magnesium. Now, most bases are insoluble, but those that are soluble are called alkalis. So if you ever ask what's an alkali is a base that is soluble in water. Now, when alkalis like sodium hydroxide or ammonium hydroxide are dissolved in water, they release the hydroxide ion. So you could define base as a compound that releases the hydroxide ion in a solution. Also, bases are defined as compounds that react with acids to produce salt and water only. Now, let's classify bases. They are also classified like acids into weak and strong bases. Now, the strong bases ionize completely in the solution and are represented by a forward-moving arrow, while the weak bases ionize slightly in a solution and are represented by a reversible reaction arrow. Like acids, we also have what we call the acidity of a base. Now, this is defined as the number of replaceable hydroxide ions that are present in that base. Like for example, if you have sodium hydroxide, it has one hydroxide ion and its acidity is 1. We have calcium hydroxide has two hydroxide ions and its acidity is 2. Aluminum hydroxide has 3 hydroxide ions and thus its acidity is 3. Now let's discuss about its physical properties. Now, the physical properties are also what makes you and I know what bases are and how they exist around us. Like, for example, one physical property is they are slippery to touch, and that's why your soaps are slippery because they are basic. Also, they are bitter to taste. They also turn red litmus paper blue. And their caustic solutions are corrosive. Now let's dive right into the chemical properties of bases or alkalis. Bases will undergo the neutralization reaction, reacting with acids to form salt and water only. These bases also react with ammonium salts. Like for instance, potassium hydroxide will react with ammonium chloride to release ammonia gas. And that's a very important test for bases. They react with ammonium salts to release ammonia gas. And bases also react with those anhydrides I listed earlier, acidic anhydride, to produce the salts. Next, we're going to discuss about the preparation of bases or alkalis. And the first method I have here is when metals burn in air. So metals like potassium or zinc react with oxygen, they form basic oxides. So in general, oxygen reacts with metals to form basic oxides, while oxygen reacts with non-metals to form acidic oxides. The next method I have here is the reaction of metals, water, or steam. Because when a metal like potassium reacts with water, it produces potassium hydroxide, which is basic in nature, and when a metal like aluminum reacts with steam, it produces aluminum oxide, which is also basic in nature. And the last method I have here is the carbon neutralization reaction I talked about earlier. The reaction of salt and water to produce base and an acid. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want to learn how to make your own acids and bases at home, I already have a video that highlights that, and that video will show you the simplest ways in which you can make these two chemicals at home. So bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.